In this video, we'll explore analytics reports and key search engine optimization metrics for tracking success. These reports are critical for understanding how your website performs in search engines and how users interact with your content. Let's dive in. Tracking search engine optimization metrics is essential for two primary reasons: performance measurement and strategic insights. Firstly, with performance measurement, tracking search engine optimization metrics provides concrete data to evaluate your strategy's effectiveness. This approach quantifies progress towards business goals, identifies successful tactics to scale, and helps justify search engine optimization investment to stakeholders. Secondly, when it comes to strategic insights, analytics reveal patterns and opportunities that inform optimization decisions. This includes uncovering content gaps and opportunities, highlighting technical issues affecting rankings, and enabling data-driven strategy adjustments. Let's explore essential traffic metrics that help you understand visitor behavior and acquisition. First, we have organic search traffic. Organic search traffic refers to visitors who arrive at your site through unpaid search engine results, indicating search engine optimization effectiveness. For example, you might see a 65% increase in organic traffic after content optimization. Next, consider mobile versus desktop traffic. This metric shows the distribution of visitors across device types, crucial for responsive design and mobile optimization. A common example is seeing that 72% of visitors use mobile devices in business to consumer sectors. Then there's geographic distribution. This shows the location data of your visitors, helping target content and optimize for regional search patterns. It can help in identifying untapped markets with high search volume. Finally, session duration is the average time visitors spend on your site, indicating content engagement and relevance to search intent. For instance, a 3 minutes and 45 seconds average session duration for high-converting content is a sign of a good content. Now, let's discuss engagement metrics, which help in measuring user interaction with your content. First off is bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate indicates content relevance or user experience issues. You should aim for a target of below 40% for informational content and below 25% for commercial pages. Next, pages per session is the average number of pages viewed during a session, showing content engagement and internal linking effectiveness. A benchmark of 2.5 plus pages per session indicates good engagement. Return visitor rate is the percentage of visitors who come back to your site, indicating content value and brand loyalty. A good goal to aim for is 30% plus return visitors for content-focused websites. Finally, time on page is the average duration visitors spend on specific pages, helping identify high-performing content. As a success indicator, you should see 2+ minutes for blog posts and 4+ minutes for guides. Let's examine conversion metrics, which help measure search engine optimization impact on business goals. First, we have conversion rate, which is the percentage of visitors who complete desired actions such as purchases, sign-ups, or downloads, showing search engine optimization's contribution to business goals. The industry average is typically 2 to 5% for e-commerce and 10 to 20% for lead generation. Next, goal completions are the total number of specific conversions, helping track search engine optimization's direct impact on defined business objectives. For example, you might see 250 newsletter sign-ups from organic search traffic. Then there's revenue attribution, which is revenue generated from organic search traffic, demonstrating search engine optimization's financial impact and return on investment. An insight here is to track revenue by landing page to identify high-value content. Lastly, assisted conversions are conversions where organic search played a role in the customer journey, but wasn't the final touch point. It shows search engine optimization's contribution beyond last-click attribution. Let's explore keyword performance metrics, which are essential for tracking search visibility and content effectiveness. First, keyword rankings indicate the position of your pages in search results for target keywords, showing search engine optimization progress and opportunities. A goal is to track movement into top 10 positions for priority keywords. Next, the click-through rate is the percentage of impressions that result in clicks, indicating title and meta description effectiveness. The benchmark is 3 to 5% for position number 1, scaling down for lower positions. Then, impressions show the number of times your pages appear in search results, showing overall search visibility. Rising impressions indicate growing keyword relevance. Lastly, keyword diversity is the range of keywords driving traffic to your site, indicating content breadth and topical authority. It's a good strategy to track growth in long-tail keyword rankings over time. Now, let's delve into technical search engine optimization metrics, which measure site health and performance. First, page speed includes loading time metrics like largest contentful paint and first input delay, which are critical for user experience and rankings. You should target a largest contentful paint under 2.5 seconds and a first input delay under 100 milliseconds, aligning with core web vitals. Next, crawl stats indicate how search engines interact with your site, including crawl frequency, pages crawled per day, and crawl errors. It's important to monitor crawl budget utilization and error trends over time. Mobile usability refers to issues affecting mobile user experience, such as tap target size, viewport configuration, and text readability. A good goal is to have zero mobile usability issues in Search Console. Finally, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure coverage is the percentage of pages properly served over secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure connections, a ranking factor and trust signal. As a standard, 100% of pages should use Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure with valid certificates. Let's review essential analytics tools for search engine optimization that are needed for tracking key metrics. First, Google Analytics is a comprehensive platform for tracking user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion metrics. It is essential for understanding the full user journey. Google Search Console provides direct insights from Google about your site's search performance, including impressions, clicks, and technical issues. There are also search engine optimization platforms like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz, which provide comprehensive search engine optimization metrics, competitor analysis, and rank tracking. In terms of custom tracking setup, an example using Google Analytics for event tracking is shown. First, a page view event is set up with parameters like page title, page location, and traffic type. Second, a custom conversion tracking event is set up with parameters like currency, value, and source. Let's explore creating custom search engine optimization dashboards, which help visualize metrics for actionable insights. Custom dashboards provide at-a-glance monitoring, providing immediate visibility into key performance indicators without digging through multiple reports. Trend visualization, having visual representations of data make it easier to identify patterns, seasonal changes, and the impact of search engine optimization efforts. It helps in goal tracking by setting targets and visualizing progress toward specific search engine optimization objectives with custom goal tracking widgets. It is used in stakeholder reporting and helps in creating simplified views for executives and clients that focus on business impact rather than technical details. An example search engine optimization performance dashboard is displayed, showing metrics such as organic traffic, average position, conversion rate, and pages indexed. It also shows top keywords and page performance. Let's discuss creating effective search engine optimization reports, turning data into actionable insights. Here are some steps to follow. Step 1. Define clear objectives, which is establishing specific goals for each report based on business objectives and stakeholder needs. Step 2. Select relevant metrics, which is including only metrics that directly relate to your objectives and provide meaningful insights. Step 3. Provide context, comparing current performance to historical data, industry benchmarks, and specific targets. Step 4. Include actionable insights, which is translating data into specific recommendations and next steps for optimization. An example of a monthly search engine optimization report structure is displayed. This includes an executive summary, performance metrics, keyword performance, and recommendations. Let's explore common search engine optimization reporting mistakes and how to avoid them. First mistake is data overload, which involves overwhelming stakeholders with too many metrics and complex data points without clear focus or prioritization. A solution for this is focused reporting, selecting 5 to 7 key metrics that directly align with business objectives and provide clear insights into performance. Second mistake is missing context, which is presenting raw numbers without explaining what they mean, why they matter, or how they compare to benchmarks. The solution for this is comparative analysis, include month-over-month, year-over-year comparisons, and industry benchmarks to provide meaningful context. The third mistake is focusing on vanity metrics, which look impressive but don't correlate with business goals or revenue impact. The solution for this is business impact, connecting search engine optimization metrics to business outcomes like revenue, leads, and return on investment to demonstrate real value. In conclusion, effective search engine optimization analytics is about measuring what matters, understanding the story behind the data, and taking action to improve performance. Measure holistically, track a balanced mix of traffic, engagement, conversion, and technical metrics to get a complete picture of search engine optimization performance. Next, continuously monitor, implementing regular reporting cycles and real-time dashboards to catch issues early and capitalize on opportunities quickly. Use data-driven decisions, analytics insights to guide strategy, prioritize tasks, and demonstrate the business value of search engine optimization investments. Next, learn how to implement advanced tracking for local search engine optimization, voice search, and user experience signals. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.